Running an AI agent on a smartphone sounds impossible. But with OpenClaw and Termux, you can do it directly from your Android device. Let me show you how. First, you need to install Termux. Instead of getting it from the Google Play Store, download it through F-Droid. While installing, your phone may display a warning message saying, "Unsafe app blocked." If that happens, tap Install anyway. Once the installation is complete, open Termux and continue with the setup. Now, before you install anything, you need to prepare Termux properly. Type this first command to set up the Termux environment. Run it and let it finish. Then type this second command to install the basic packages. Now you are ready to install OpenClaw. Type this command and press Enter. If your phone asks for permission to run this app in the background, allow it. Next, the installer will ask which tools you'd like to install. Simply select the ones you need and proceed with the installation. Then sit back. This part takes a few minutes. Grab some water. Let it do its thing. When OpenClaw installation completes, type OpenClaw onboard commands. This launches the interactive setup wizard that configures everything for your device. The first prompt asks you a confirmation message. Select Yes. Next, you'll see the setup mode screen. Select Quick Start to continue. For config handling, select Keep Current Values. This preserves the defaults. Now it asks you to select a model provider. This is the AI brain that OpenClaw will use. Pick whichever provider you want. I'm going to skip this for now. You can do the same. Right after that, it asks you to confirm the default model. Next up is channel selection. This is where you choose how you want to communicate with OpenClaw. It supports multiple channels including Telegram, WhatsApp, SMS, and others. Simply select the platform you wanted to use to interact with your AI agent. If you also choose Telegram, here is what you need to do. Go to Telegram and search for BotFather. This is Telegram's official bot creation tool. Create a new bot by following the instructions provided by BotFather. Once the setup is complete, you'll receive a bot API token. Copy that token and paste it into the OpenClaw setup screen to connect to your Telegram bot. For the search provider, I'm selecting the free search option. Next, you'll see the skills configuration screen. I'm going to skip this for now, but feel free to configure it if you need any of those features. After that comes hooks configuration. I'm skipping this as well. Then it asks, how do you want to hatch your terminal? Select Hatch in Terminal option. And that is it. OpenClaw is now running on your Android device. Here is one more thing you need to know. Open a second Termux session. In the new session, type. This opens a real-time dashboard where you can see everything OpenClaw is doing. Active tasks, completed sessions, error logs, everything in one place. If something goes wrong, this is the first place you check. Now let's see how you can operate OpenClaw through Telegram. When you send your first message through Telegram, you may see an error message. Don't worry, this simply means the Telegram session hasn't been authorized yet. Copy the command shown in the error message. Then switch back to Termux and run it there. This command completes the authorization process and links your Telegram bot to OpenClaw. Once the approval process is complete, OpenClaw and your Telegram bot will be connected. From that point on, you can send messages to your Telegram bot and OpenClaw will respond and perform tasks directly from your Android device. If this video helped you, hit subscribe. And if this setup process felt a bit overwhelming, don't worry. In the next video, I'll show you a much simpler way to run OpenClaw without the self-hosting and configuration headaches. See you in the next one.